Hello traders, I'm happy to announce that the ChinEtti Pip Collector MT5 version is now released. It was pending for some time and many traders were asking me when it is going to release, and finally now you can get it. So if you don't know me, my name is ChinEtti. I'm the founder of ChinEttiForex.com, a full-time Forex trader and a professional programmer. I have built many profitable Forex indicators and systems over the years. The ChinEtti Pip Collector is a momentum trend following system that detects strong momentum swings in the market and will give you multiple trading signals during the day. The system comes with 4 non-repaint indicators coded by myself. It takes only 5 minutes to set up the system in your MT5 platform, and it has features such as built-in email alerts, mobile notifications and desktop notifications to give you a smooth trading experience. The system works with any Forex currency pair, indices and futures too, and it is best to use with 30 minutes and higher time frames for best results. I will give you the backtesting results of this system later in this video for major currency pairs to see how accurate this Forex system is. If you want to try this system, I have given the link below in the description where you can get it. I am currently offering this at a discounted price, so feel free to grab this offer while it's there. Okay, let me show you how the system works. The arrow indicator gives buy and sell signals, which indicated by the green and orange arrows. These are potential trading opportunities, but we do not purely open a trade based on these signals. I'll explain you the reason in a little while. The trend direction indicator shows the current market trend. An uptrend is shown by the green color and the downward trend is shown by the orange color. The market info shows important information like the current price, spread, daily high and low, candle closing time, etc. Okay, having identified all the indicators, let's see how to enter a trade with ChinEtti Pip Collector. It's very simple. For a buy trade, a green arrow should appear on your chart. The candle color must be white. The trend direction line must be green. If all these 3 rules are satisfied, we enter into a buy trade. So as you can see, in this case, this green arrow is a valid trade. So we can enter to this trade and trade along with the trend. For a sell trade, it's the opposite. An orange arrow should appear on your chart. The candle color must be red. The trend direction line must be orange. So again, if all the 3 rules are satisfied, we enter into a sell trade. So as you can see, this signal is a valid signal. There are 2 possible ways to exit the trade. So option 1 is you can wait for the next opposite signal and exit the trade. For example, if you start a trade using this signal, and then you can exit with this sell signal. Option 2, you can wait for the trend direction line to change and exit the trade. Taking the same example, if you enter to a buy trade right here with this buy signal, then you can exit the trade when the trend direction line changes to orange. That means somewhere here. I personally trade with option 2 because it cuts down the market noise and allows to ride the current trend in the market and collect more pips. There is an email alert in the trend direction indicator which you can activate. With that, when the trend changes, you will get an email alert so you can easily exit the trade. So let me show you an example why I prefer option 2 as the exit strategy. So if we enter to sell trade here with option 1 exit strategy, we will probably exit the trade with this buy signal. So that will be closer to 100 pips. But if we go with option 2, we will be continuing the trade and will exit when the trend direction line changes. So as you can see, we are currently in a downtrend and the trend is still continuing downwards. Okay, I have explained to you how the ChinEtti Pip Collector works. I really like this system not only because it's super easy to use, but more importantly, it has helped me to earn consistent profits without taking many risks. You can also grab this system and start making money today. I am offering this now at a discounted price for a limited time. The link is given below in the description where you can get it, so feel free to check out. Great. Now I will show you some backtesting results with this system.